Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to dropship from Alibaba to TikTok shop. If you want to know how it's done in this video, it's for you. So what we can do in this case is we can head over right here that our apps and services on this. So here's our app store right here. Just head over and click on that. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see in here your app store. So let's search in here for dropshipping. So let's just search in here. And then you should be able to see in here some dropshipping options, just like this CJ dropshipping, SOP dropshipping, and all of that. I recommend you to install this CJ dropshipping right here. So right there, let's head over and then open this. So I have in here this app. So let's head over to this particular page and then let's just authorize this. Click on this confirm. Click on this confirm to install. Then you should be able to see this. So just scroll down and then accept this and authorize. And then once you have done that, it will be authorized. So just click on done right here. Now let's head over to in here. And as you can see, this has been loaded into a new page, which is our CJ dropshipping from in here. Now click on this right here. So let's just try this. So if on some cases that your authorization has fallen through, what you can do in this case is just head over right here. So you have in here this. So this is our menu icons. So what you can do is we can head over and then just try to reauthorize it through this right here. We can see in here our TikTok shop. So let's head over and click on this right there. Then as you can see, just click on this ad store and then scroll down and click on OK from in there. Once you have clicked on that, this will direct you to a new page right here on your TikTok Shop Seller Center. And then just choose your actual region. I'll choose Asia and I'll choose Chinese. And then from in there, it will direct me to this TikTok Global Shop. And once you have authorized it, it will direct you in here again on your CJ. Now let's head over to our dashboard from in here. And then from in there, we should be able to see in here this option right here for sourcing. So just hover it in this and you can see in here the sourcing. So sourcing offers a solution when you didn't find the product you want to sell. So let's click on the sourcing right here. And then once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see in here your sourcing list. Now in here, let's head over to a new tab and let's go to Alibaba. Now let's go in here and then just look for the one that you're looking for. So for example, let's put in here basketball shoes and let's search in here for that. Now as you can see, here are some basketball shoes that we can sell. So let's try to sell these shoes right here. So let's click on it and it will show us this right here. So as you can see on our sourcing, we need to add in here the product name in here. So let's click on this post sourcing request and it will show you this post sourcing. So you just need to enter in here the individual product. So we have in here our wholesale men's classic outdoor sports style shoes. So let's just copy this and add this right here. And for the product image, let's just get the images that we can see in here. And then let's add it from in here. Now just put in here the target price. So for example, let's price it at around 67 and the sourcing URL will be this, and copy it and then just add it right here. Now for the description, you can just copy the description that they have in here if you want to. So just head over and then just copy this description and add this from in here as well. So for this one, let's copy this attributes and then let's just put it right here. And then once you have done that, click on this accept similar products and click on this request for sourcing. Once you have done that, this will source that particular product from Alibaba and you can see it right here. As of right now, it is still pending, but once it's done sourcing, you should be able to add it on your shop. Now, if you want, you can also put in here on the sourcing record wherein you can see all the sourcing requests that you have made in the past as well. So you can just do a lot of things using this way. You can also click on this source more, and when you click on it, you should be able to see this Taobao and also a lot of options like AliExpress and Shopify. Now, I will show you how to add some products from in here. You can see in here this my products, store products, and this thing. Now what we can do is we can click on this first icon, which is the find products option. So let's head over and click on it, and then just find the product that you're looking for. So for example, searching here for shoes. Once you have done that, it will search in here this database for that. So while we're waiting for Alibaba, let's also find some products that are actually available on Alibaba and on this. So you can also use images in order to search for it. So for example, in this case, we have this image. So let's try to actually save this. So let's save this image right here. Now from in here, just click on this right here in order to search for that particular product in here. Now here's that product. Here it is. Click on open, and then you should be able to search in here for that particular product on your CJ. Now as you can see, here it is. Here are some things that are similar to that. So you can head over and then just click on that particular product that you think is actually for that. And then from in here, you can head over and then just try to add it on your inventory by clicking on this list right here. So when you click on this list, this should be added in here on your CJ using this case. So let's just try to add. And once you have added that, it should be able to be added right here. So now let's add some more things. We have in here this. So what we can do is you can head over and then just try to click on this right here, which is this add to my products. So in here, this will show you the particular product that you want to add. And then in here, you can see this. They have in here the price, the size, and all of this. Click on this list right here in order to add it on your listing. And then in here, just put in here the store selection that you have. So just enter your TikTok name, and you can click on this parent pricing as well. You can see in here this one. You can enter in here a product pricing. You can also click on this recommended listing price in order to make this possible for you. For example, let's add it at around 99 and click on OK. And then you can also just add it on your total shipping price, and it will ship from the China warehouse, and it will ship most of your orders to the specific warehouse that you will choose in this case. So you can also choose in here the shipping method that you want for this one as well as this one. And then from in there, just click on this list it now option right here in order to list it to your store. Once you have clicked on this list it now, it should be added on your TikTok shop impromptu. So as of right now, here's the products on our TikTok shop. You also have the option to find product opportunities using the app that we have. And you should be able to add Alibaba products on your TikTok using the CJ dropshipping sourcing from this specific thing. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.